12-megapixel camera as the main sensor during the daytime, and, at night, it makes use of the 20-megapixel camera as the main sensor to capture images with more light. With AI on board, the dual rear cameras can recognize up to 206 kinds of scenes with different optimizations to snap richer photos. Also, it can perform real-time translations for English, French, German, Japanese, Korean and Indian languages. For shooting selfies, it features Sony IMX376 20-megapixel front camera. It is equipped with a soft light LED flash. The Pre-AI allows the front-facing camera to shoot best quality selfie shots, as it can recognize 12 kinds of self-portrait scenes. Other features of the front camera of Mi 6X include AI Beauty and AI Night Self-Timer. Lastly, the front camera can be also used for unlocking the phone through face scanning. The Snapdragon 660 that features an artificial intelligence engine powers the Xiaomi Mi 6X. On Antutu, the Mi 6X has scored 139,697 points and it delivers 79% better performance than the Mi 5X that is fueled by Snapdragon 625. There are two 64GB Mi 6X model with 4GB of RAM and 6GB of RAM. Its 128GB model has 6GB of RAM. The Mi 6X is packed with 3010 battery that includes support quick charge 3.0 18W fast charging. By charging it for 30 minutes only, the phone can gain 50% power. It is also equipped with AI smart powering function. The Android 8.1 Oreo OS is pre-installed on the phone and it is overlaid with MIUI 9.5, which brings support for full-screen gestures. Also, it comes with Xiao AI Voice Assistant. The highest configuration 128GB Xiaomi Mi 6X variant that has 6GB of RAM carries a price tag of 1,999 yuan, $316 only. The 64GB Mi 6X models with 4GB of RAM and 6GB of RAM are respectively priced at 1,599 yuan, $253 and 1,799 yuan, $285.